Everybody, today we're going to add some transitions in between our video clips. What happens from one clip to another is called a transition. This one just cuts straight across. There's no effects that go from one to the next, and that's the most common transition. But there are some built-in transitions in Premiere. If we click over here where our project panel is, we can click on the Effects tab and go down to Video Transitions. Here you can find folders with a whole bunch of different transitions. Let's play with a few. Let's look at the iris transition. For example, what if I wanted to do a round iris? What that does, you see that little round? I can, if I want the transition to last longer, I can hover my mouse right over the top of that. Oops. In fact, let's zoom in on our timeline so we have a little more space. There, I can hover my mouse over the top and pull it out. That's a round, iris round. Let's see what it looks like. Let's try a diamond. I'm going to make that last a little longer. Ah, pretty neat. But if you don't like it, just highlight it, push delete, highlight, push delete. Let's go back to our first one. Here's some more common ones. The cross dissolve. It's kind of fun. That plays both videos. They overlap the videos. It's a cross dissolve, or you could do a dip to black. It's really fun, you guys, just to experiment with these different transitions. So go through the folders, try them out. See that fades out and then back in? That's dip to black. Good stuff. And then I want to do some cross dissolves in between my clips. Let's put it on a few of them. And a little trick of the backslash key shrinks your timeline down so it fits perfectly within this window. I'm going to keep adding these cross dissolves. Do that to all of my clips. And then my very last one, I'll do a fade to black, or dip to black. Almost there. And then dip to black on the end. There we go. What does that look like? So that's how you do transitions. Have fun.